Broiler farming is a profitable agricultural venture. These chickens are bred for meat production, and with increasing demand, it's a lucrative opportunity. Learn the basics like breed selection, feeding, and housing management to become a successful broiler farmer. With research and resources, you can supply high-quality chicken meat to your local market. Hatch your next big business idea with broiler farming. Curious about where your chicken comes from before it ends up on your plate? Look no further than this video on broiler farming. From the farm to your table, you'll learn all about the journey of your broiler chickens and the care that goes into raising them for meat production. Discover the ins and outs of broiler farming, from selecting the right breed to ensuring proper feeding and housing for your birds. Whether you're a farmer looking to get into broiler production or a consumer interested in learning more about where your food comes from, this video has something for everyone. Get ready for a fascinating glimpse into the world of broiler farming from start to finish. The egg hatching process is a fascinating journey that transforms ordinary eggs into fluffy chicks. From sorting to shipment, each step of the process requires careful attention and monitoring to ensure successful hatching. At the hatchery, the eggs are sorted and placed in specialized incubators that mimic the conditions of a brooding hen. These incubators carefully regulate temperature and humidity levels to create the perfect environment for the eggs to develop. As the eggs incubate, they are regularly candled, which involves shining a bright light through the shell to check for growth and fertility. Unfertilized eggs are removed from the incubators, while fertilized ones are left to develop further. Around 21 days after the incubation process begins, the eggs begin to hatch. This process can take several hours, during which the chicks work to break free from their shells. Once they've hatched, they are carefully handled and given time to rest and dry off before being shipped to farms around the world. At the hatchery, every effort is made to ensure the health and well-being of the chicks. This includes providing them with the right nutrients, vaccines, and environments to grow and thrive. As they mature, they are transferred to farms where they will continue to develop until they are ready to lay eggs or be processed for meat. The egg hatchery process is a testament to the care and dedication of hatchery workers who work tirelessly to bring new life into the world. By understanding this complex process, we gain a newfound appreciation for the delicate balance that exists between nature and technology. Whether you're a farmer, consumer, or simply curious about the world around us, the egg hatchery process is a fascinating journey that's worth exploring. From the moment fluffy chicks are hatched to the time they are harvested for meat, every step in the chicken farming process is critical to ensure the delivery of high-quality poultry products. Once the chicks have hatched, they are transported from the hatchery to farms where they will grow to maturity. During this time, the chicks are closely monitored and given the proper nutrition, vaccines, and environment needed to develop into healthy birds. As the birds mature, they are then transferred to grow-out farms where they continue to develop until they are ready for processing. During this stage, farmers monitor their growth rate, feed intake, and health to ensure that they are meeting industry standards for quality and size. When the birds have reached the desired weight and age, they are harvested for meat. This process involves stunning the birds and then bleeding them out before they are processed for meat. Modern processing facilities use advanced technology and techniques to ensure that every part of the bird is utilized in the production of food and other products. Chicken stunning is a crucial step in poultry processing that ensures humane treatment of birds and reduces stress. It involves using advanced equipment and techniques to render the bird unconscious without causing pain. This also improves the quality of meat by reducing muscle contraction and bruising. Strict attention is paid to maintaining high standards of animal welfare, hygiene, and safety throughout the process. By treating chickens with care and respect, we can produce high-quality poultry products that are safe and sustainable. Chicken processing in a factory involves several steps to ensure that the final product is of high quality, safe for consumption, and meets the demands of customers. This process starts off with the arrival of live chickens at the factory, which are then inspected for any signs of illness or injury. If they pass inspection, they are then moved to the stunning area, where they are rendered unconscious using advanced equipment and techniques. This is a crucial step to ensure that the birds feel no pain during the processing. After stunning, the chickens are then moved to the bleeding area, where the neck is cut to allow the blood to drain out to the bird's body. Once the blood is drained, the birds are moved to the scalding area, where they are immersed in hot water to remove their feathers easily. The birds are then moved to the evisceration area, where the internal organs are removed and the bird is thoroughly cleaned to ensure that it is safe for consumption. Once the birds have been eviscerated and cleaned, they are then cut into different sizes and portions, depending on the customer's needs and preferences. This is a critical step in the process, and it requires experienced workers using sharp knives and advanced techniques to ensure that the chicken is cut correctly and safely. After cutting, the chicken is washed thoroughly to remove any remains, debris, or contaminants. This is important to ensure that the product is safe and free from harmful bacteria or pathogens. Finally, the chicken is carefully packaged, labeled, and shipped to customers to ensure that they receive high-quality products that are safe, delicious, and meet their specific needs. In conclusion, the chicken processing steps in a factory involve a series of critical steps to ensure that the final product is of high quality, safe for consumption, and meets the demands of customers. From the arrival of live chickens to packaging and shipping, strict attention is paid to maintaining high standards of animal welfare, hygiene, and safety. By ensuring that the chickens are treated with respect and care, we can produce high-quality poultry products that are not only delicious but also safe and sustainable. Broiler farming is a profitable agricultural venture that offers an excellent opportunity for individuals to start a successful business. With the increasing demand for chicken meat, broiler farming can be a lucrative venture provided that you have the right resources and knowledge. It is essential to learn the basics of broiler farming, including choosing the right breed, managing feeding and housing of your birds, and ensuring their health and welfare. Broiler farming requires dedication, hard work, and investment, but with the right approach, it can be a fulfilling and rewarding adventure. By maintaining high standards of animal welfare and hygiene, broiler farmers can produce high-quality chicken meat that is not only delicious but also safe and sustainable. As consumers become more conscious of where their food comes from, broiler farming provides an opportunity for farmers to meet the growing demand for ethically produced, healthy, and locally sourced meat. Thank you for watching.